Is your LiftMaster or clicker garage door remote not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. First, identify the type of battery your remote uses. Most LiftMaster and clicker remotes use either a 12-volt alkaline battery like A23 or 23A, or a 3 volts lithium coin cell like CR2032 or CR2450. Check your remote's manual or the label inside the battery compartment. Once you have the correct battery, locate the battery compartment, usually on the back of the remote. It might be secured by a sliding cover or a small screw. Remove the old battery, ensuring you note the polarity positive and negative signs. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Close the compartment and test the remote. Gloves are recommended to avoid skin contact with battery acid. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Press the Learn button on your garage door opener unit, usually inside the garage, and then press the Remote button. Always refer to your opener's manual for specific reprogramming instructions to ensure proper setup. Looking ahead, lithium batteries are increasingly popular for their longevity and eco-friendliness, offering up to 3 years of life. Some premium remotes even feature wireless solar charging to reduce maintenance. Keep an eye out for future battery-free remotes using Bluetooth low-energy technology. Stay updated by ensuring your smart remotes have the latest firmware to optimize battery life and enhance security.